Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. As you can see, I have a couple racks of ripening bananas that I need to harvest today. We had some rain, they're starting to split. So I'm catching it just in time. It would have been great to harvest this one and the other one yesterday, but hey, life throws things at you and you get busy and you can't do it. So I'm going to go ahead and real quickly harvest these. I was going to go ahead and harvest them off camera, but I said, okay, let me just do a quick video. So here we go. Okay, real quick video. Gonna remove the supports. Remove some leaves. Okay, I removed the leaves so you can see, and they're gonna go into my chicken pen in a little bit so the chickens can feed on them. But I want to go ahead and bring this down so I don't damage any of the ripening fruit. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this right here and bring it down, hopefully slowly. Oh, it's a nice little heavy one. Okay, so this is my first rack. You seen how I harvest it. I went ahead and harvested the easy way by bringing down the plant because this is pretty heavy. Okay, I'm going to come back for that, and I'll cut that one down. Got another one over there that's getting ready, but it's not ready yet. A couple more days, so let's go get the other one. Okay, so this one's by my chicken coop. This whole side is nice and yellow, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. Let's see. I have to cut that string first. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I brought it down gently to the ground. I'm going to go ahead and cut the stalk and cut all these leaves off. This is my support that I use to hold up the banana plant. Okay, the leaves going to the chickens. Now I want to cut this stalk off right here. Okay. Okay, so here you go. Here's my second rack. It's a nice rack. It's going in the house. I'm going to go ahead and prepare it to freeze and then store it in my chest freezers. Okay, so I'm going to give the leaves to my chickens. These racks I have to carry back to the house one by one. They're pretty heavy. But I'm going to go ahead and take a walk around the property because I still may have another rack to harvest. I'll let you know in a second. Okay, here's another ripe ice cream. As you can see, they're falling off. So although those are too ripe for me to bring in the house, I'm going to take it down and give it to the chickens. I gave them 3 racks this morning. This is going to be my 4th. And just remember, chickens need to eat daily. And there's some good nutrients in bananas and the leaves. Okay, I took that down nicely. I had bananas come off. I'm going to continue the walk to see if I find any more bananas. I'm going to come back with a bin to put these in. Since they're falling off, I can't carry the whole rack. So hey, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I hope you enjoyed my video on harvesting some banana racks that are perfect to bring in the house and eat now and freeze, and one that is perfectly ripe, a little on the overripe side, and it's for chicken feed. So give me a like, give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the video description below. Hope to see you there.